Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to log out Twitter. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Twitter app. Make sure you have already downloaded Twitter app on your device. Now go to the profile icon that is located on top left corner. Next, here on bottom you can see settings and support. Expand it. Now here again you will see settings and privacy. Click on it. Next you will be seeing your account. Tap on it and again tap on account information. So here you can see logout option. Now click on it and again tap on logout if you are sure to log out your Twitter. Now you can see that you have successfully logged out Twitter account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.